Hey everyone, it's Sam here from ProTrader. I just want to talk through a latest scan that's been released today, which is our inside bar scanner, which I'm super excited about and we've been working on for a while. First of all, for those new to trading, I'm going to explain quickly what an inside bar is. This is a chart of NVIDIA on the NASDAQ. See how this candle here is completely engulfed by this candle. It falls within the boundaries of this candle 100%. That is an inside day or an inside bar. It's a theory that contraction leads to expansion, or periods of low volatility leads to periods of expansion, higher volatility. It works on daily charts, weekly charts, monthly charts, and it also works with multiple inside bars all at once, which I will get to later in this video. This is a monthly chart here of NVIDIA as well, NVDA on the NASDAQ. You see here, this is this lovely base where it broke out and went for it. But if you look inside this is a monthly chart with a monthly inside bar candle here. It falls this month falls completely within this month, then it breaks out and has a really nice move. Now, to do the scan, you simply go to the search function up here, go to the candles, and you will find the inside bar scans here. First of all, I'm going to quickly show how to do a single inside bar scan, and I'll show how to do that on daily data. You can see here, this is a chart of EML on the ASX. We have our up day here, and then this day is completely engulfed by the previous day. This is an inside bar. You'll also notice that this is an inside bar, and there's quite a lot of inside bars here during periods of base in and tight price action. You tend to get a lot of inside bars. The chart of Lululemon on the NASDAQ. I'm just showing that inside bars can work on the short side too. This candle falls completely within this candle. And here's a chart of Webb on the ASX. I brought this up because this bullish move here has a lot of inside bars. You'll notice an inside bar here that then leads to a breakout. You notice an inside bar here that leads to a breakout. And now we have an inside bar here falling in all within this candle. That scan also works obviously on weekly and monthly data. I'm going to quickly do it on weekly data to just show it one example. Here's a chart of ADT and the ASX. This candle is falling completely within this previous candle. If I now do that scan on monthly data, you'll find I've got an example here of ASB on the ASX. This candle here falls completely within the previous candle. Now, what really excites me about the scans we've developed is the multiple inside bars. You can search for any number of inside bars, all fall in together. I've got in here 3, but you could put 5 or 10 or 20 or whatever number you wish. I'm going to scan this on daily data to start with. First of all, we have AIV on the NISI. You can see here we have this first candle, and then we have 3 candles that all fall within this bar. That is a 3-day multiple inside bar setup. I'm going to quickly do that scan. Same scan, but I'm going to do it on weekly data. You can see here HOVR on the NASDAQ. We have one bullish candle here, followed by 3 weeks of inside bars which all fall within this candle. Just moving along, here's a chart of MCHP on the NASDAQ. Obviously this is in a huge base in itself, but it's amazing how often with inside huge bases you will see multiple inside bars. This is 1 week of data, and we have the next 3 weeks all falling within this one candle, showing in quite tightening price action. The last one here is REH on the ASX. We have a big bullish candle, and then we have now 4 weekly candles all within this candle. So that there is 4 inside weekly bars. Now I'm going to move on to the last scan that we've created. You can also do this scan on monthly data. I'm going to quickly do. Okay, here is a chart of ADT on the ASX. This is a monthly chart, and we have the next 3 candles all within this monthly candle here. This is AGVT on the ASX. a bullish candle the next 3 months or within this candle. This is DAPP on the NASDAQ. A monthly candle and the next 3 months or within this candle. Okay, it's great when you do it on a monthly charts. It's great for finding obviously more longer term basis. The last scan that we have is where you scan for over a certain number of inside bars. I've put here 4, but once again you can put whatever number you wish. Quickly doing this on daily data. Here's a chart of CCRN on the NASDAQ. You can see here we have this first bullish candle followed by well over 4 inside bars, which all fall within this candle. CIP on the ASX, we have a big uptrend, one bullish candle here, and the next 6 or 7 bars are all falling within this one candle. EML again on the ASX, one big bullish bar and then about 7 or 8 bars now all within this one candle. Okay, that's really good at finding tight bases forming in really tight ranges. Now I'm going to do that scan, but I'm going to do it on weekly data just quickly to show everyone. Here's a chart of ASB on the ASX. Weekly data, and we have more than 4, I think there's 5 weeks all falling within this first candle. Lastly, I'm going to do it on monthly data. And here is a chart of FSFG on the NASDAQ. I just brought this one up because it's very clean. We have a monthly candle here, and then we have about 7 months all sitting within this candle. This is quite a decent base, and that scan on monthly data really does find a lot of big bases. But I just picked out one for the point of this video, so it doesn't go on forever. Check out ProTraderScans.com. Any questions, reach out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy the new scan. Cheers.